Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then click on wallpaper. And now you need to select the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from My Wallpapers, one from photos from your gallery over here. Then you can open wallpaper services and choose something from here. So let me pick, for example, this one from preloaded, and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both home and lock screen. Let me apply it for home screen only. Here you've got the display, how it will look like, and then click on set on home screen just to confirm. As you can see, it is already applied. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.